So sometimes when you are working with Shadcn, you run into this kind of problems that is going to tell you error dialog trigger must be used within the dialog. So basically, what causes this kind of problem is usually when you are using sheet from Shadcn. So when you are working with sheet, and let's just go into the code real quick, and then you come to this place. Usually when developers develop, you actually depend on the auto import. So what you do is that when you type this a little bit, there's this suggestion, and then you choose it, and then it automatically imports it, and then you click save, and then everything should work normally. But if you go back to this console, you see that it tells you, it gives you this error. So if you look at what they, I mean, I still get this error no matter how much I reload. So if we look at the import path, that is where the problem is. When you automatically import sheet component like that, this is where it goes into the lucid react, which is not what you want. This is not the kind of sheet that you want. This is the wrong import. So you have to manually type it right here yourself, and which is going to import it straight right from UI/sheet. This is the one that you actually need. So most problem is going to be the wrong import. So once I save this right now, it fixes it. If I go back to my app now and then reload, it automatically fixes it. As you can see, everything works fine right now, and then we're pretty good. So basically, that is how you solve that kind of problem. Make sure you don't do automatic import. You have to type it in manually, and make sure you are importing directly from Shadcn UI. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to this channel